dear students in Prep 2. Today we are going to study lesson 6 in Unit 1, Algebra. Our lesson today is factorizing by grouping. In this lesson, your algebraic expression consists of 4 terms, and we have to divide it into 2 groups that can be factorized. Let's take the first example. xy plus 5y plus 7x plus 35. You have 4 terms, so divide it into 2 groups, and don't forget to put plus between the 2 groups. How to choose terms in each group? Just choose terms that can be factorized or can take highest common factor between them. In this problem, you can take xy plus 5y in the first group and 7x plus 35 in the other group. The common factor in the first group is y, so the expression will be x plus 5. The highest common factor in the second group is 7, so the expression will be x plus 5. Any common factor between the 2 terms? Yes, x plus 5. So the other factor will be y plus 7. You can solve this question in another way. You can take xy plus 7x in the first group and take 5y plus 35 in the second group. The common factor in the first group is x, so the expression will be y plus 7. The common factor in the other group is 5, so the expression will be y plus 7. The common factor between the 2 terms is y plus 7, and the other factor will be x plus 5. Number 2, ax minus cy minus cx plus ay. You have 4 terms, so 2 groups. You can take ax with ay in group and negative cy minus cx in the second group. And also you can take ax minus cx in group and in the second group minus cy plus ay, as you like. We take ax plus ay in first group and in second group negative cy minus cx. The common factor in the first group is a, so the expression will be x plus y. And the common factor in the second group is negative c, so the expression will be y plus x. The common factor between the 2 terms is x plus y, so the expression will be a minus c. Number 3, 5m minus 10n minus am plus 2an. 4 terms, so 2 groups. The first group 5m minus 10n, and in the second group minus am plus 2an. The common factor in the first group is 5, so the expression will be m minus 2n. The common factor in the second group is a, and the expression will be negative m plus 2n. The common factor between the 2 terms, m minus 2n, but in the other group it's negative m plus 2n. To make m minus 2n is the common factor, take negative common factor in the second group. So the first group still the same, 5 m minus 2n, and take negative from the second group, negative a. The bracket will be m minus 2n. Now we have common factor between the 2 terms, which is m minus 2n, and the other factor will be 5 minus a. Number 4, 6m power 2 minus n plus 2m minus 3mn. 4 terms, so 2 groups. In this problem, negative n can't be taken with any term except negative 3mn, because the common factor between them is negative n. So the first group is 6m power 2 plus 2m, and the second group is negative n minus 3mn. The common factor in the first group is 2m, and the expression will be 3m plus 1. The common factor in the second group is negative n, so the expression will be 1 plus 3m. The common factor between the two terms is 3m plus 1, and the other factor will be 2m minus n. Number 5. 2x power 2y minus xy power 2 plus 2ax minus ay. The first group is 2x power 2y minus xy power 2, and the second group is 2ax minus ay. The common factor in the first bracket, xy, and the expression will be 2x minus y. The common factor in the other bracket is a, so the expression will be 2x minus y. The common factor between the two terms is 2x minus y, and the other factor will be xy plus a. Example 2. X power 2 minus y power 2 plus 4x plus 4y. In this question, you can put x power 2 minus y power 2 in group and 4x plus 4y in the other group. X power 2 minus y power 2 can be factorized like difference between two squares. So the factors of x power 2 minus y power 2 equal x minus y and x plus y. The other group, 4 common factor, and the expression will be x plus y. The common factor between the two terms is x plus y, and the other factor will be x minus y plus 4. Number 2. Y power 3 plus y power 2 plus y plus 1. You can take y power 3 plus y power 2 in the first group and y plus 1 in the second group. The common factor between y power 3 plus y power 2 is y power 2, and the expression will be y plus 1. The other group is in the simplest form. The common factor between the two terms is y plus 1, and the other factor will be y power 2 plus 1. Number 3. X power 2 minus 2xy plus y power 2 minus z power 2. In this question, you can take x power 2 minus 2xy plus y power 2 in the first group as its perfect square and z power 2 in the second group. The factorization of the perfect square is square root the first x minus square root the third y all to the power 2 minus z to the power 2. Now you have difference between two squares. So square root the first term, x minus y, one factor is minus and the other is plus. The square root of the second term is z. Thanks and good luck.